Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between energy dividends and REIT dividends. Number 1. Energy dividends are dividends paid by companies in oil, gas, pipelines, refining, and related energy businesses, whereas REIT dividends are dividends paid by real estate investment trusts that own or finance income-producing properties. Number 2. Energy dividends come from the energy sector, including upstream, midstream, downstream, and integrated firms, whereas REIT dividends come from the real estate sector, including residential, retail, office, industrial, healthcare, and data center REITs. Number 3. Energy dividends are often supported by commodity sales, transportation fees, or energy infrastructure cash flow, whereas REIT dividends are often supported by rental income, lease payments, and property-related cash flow. Number 4. Energy dividend profitability often depends on energy prices, production levels, and demand, whereas REIT dividend profitability often depends on occupancy, rent levels, lease quality, and property demand. Number 5. Energy dividends can range from moderate to high yields depending on the business model and market conditions, whereas REIT dividends often offer moderate to high yields because REITs distribute a large share of taxable income. Number 6. Energy dividends can be attractive, but payouts may fluctuate more with commodity cycles and cash flow pressure, whereas REIT dividends are often dependable when properties stay occupied and cash flow remains stable. Number 7. Energy dividend growth may be uneven and tied to commodity booms, capital spending, and cycle strength, whereas REIT dividend growth is often linked to rent growth, acquisitions, and improving funds from operations. Number 8. Energy dividends are sensitive to global growth, fuel demand, geopolitics, and commodity market swings, whereas REIT dividends are sensitive to property market conditions, economic activity, and tenant health. Number 9. Energy dividends are affected by interest rates, but they are usually more influenced by energy prices and cash flow trends, whereas REIT dividends are often very sensitive to interest rates because of debt costs and income investor demand. Number 10. Energy dividend stocks are usually more volatile because energy prices and investor sentiment can swing sharply, whereas REIT dividend stocks are less commodity-driven but can still be volatile when rates or property conditions shift. Number 11. Energy dividends face key risks such as commodity price risk, regulatory pressure, environmental issues, and capital intensity, whereas REIT dividends face key risks such as vacancy risk, leverage risk, property value changes, refinancing risk, and sector-specific weakness. Number 12. Energy dividends can have tax treatment that varies by structure, and some may include special considerations depending on company type, whereas REIT dividends often include payouts taxed as ordinary income in many cases depending on jurisdiction and account type. Number 13. Energy dividends are popular with investors seeking income plus exposure to the energy cycle and inflation-linked themes, whereas REIT dividends are popular with investors seeking income plus real estate exposure and asset-backed cash flow. Number 14. Energy dividends are useful for adding sector diversification, cash flow potential, and commodity exposure, whereas REIT dividends are useful for adding income, real asset exposure, and diversification beyond traditional stocks. Number 15. Energy dividends are best known for higher cyclicality, inflation sensitivity, and income tied to the energy market, whereas REIT dividends are best known for property-backed income, yield appeal, and sensitivity to rates and real estate trends. In summary, energy dividends are generally more tied to commodity cycles and inflation themes, whereas REIT dividends are generally more tied to property income, occupancy trends, and interest rate conditions. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Dividend safety, yield, tax treatment, and risk can vary by company, structure, sector, and market conditions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.